So basically for your homework, you have some, any, nothing, and anything. And I'm going to go over the difference between them for you, okay? And some is basically a positive sentence, okay? For example, I have some bananas on my kitchen table. Or it's for a question, but it has to be an offer or being helpful, meaning I'm volunteering for help. Would you like someone to take up your bags? Would you like some help? Would you like something to drink? Would you like some tea? Would you like some sugar with your coffee? That kind of thing. Any is for negative statements like I don't have any bananas on my table right now. And for a question, I can say, is there any food in the fridge? Do you need any help? Do you have any questions? That kind of thing. And then we're going to nothing. Nothing is used with a positive sentence, and I'll show you here as we go. But just so you know, nothing is used as a subject as a sentence, and it's used in a positive way. You'll see. Examples again, I have some questions. Do you have any questions? I don't have any questions. So we're going to be talking about nothing, as you can see right up here, nothing. Nothing is the subject of the sentence, meaning nothing is too big for me. I start the sentence with nothing. That's the subject. And then I can use it with the formula of a positive statement. And here we go. At the bottom, it says, I have nothing to say, right? You're not saying, I don't have nothing, because that's wrong. You're saying, I have nothing to say. And here again, we have the word nothing versus anything. Notice, I have nothing. That's positive to say. I have nothing to say. And then you can say, I don't have anything to say. So again, any or anything goes with negative statements. If that makes sense, I wish you luck in your homework.